Okay, folks, this video is for step 3 in our program. And when you click on step 3, it's going to open a separate window, and there's going to be an instructional video there, which is going to be this video that we're taking right now. And you're going to click on it to get it started. And it's going to explain, and you're going to actually be sent to a page like this here. And this is where you join ClickBank. Now let me tell you a little bit about ClickBank. ClickBank is a massive affiliate network, and they have thousands and thousands of products at ClickBank. The one thing that we do with our program is we link you in to ClickBank if you can get a ClickBank account. If you cannot get a ClickBank account, skip this step and don't fill it in the form on the main page as a ClickBank username. Leave that blank, because this is only for members that are in an area that can get a ClickBank account. I'm not sure just which areas you can get a ClickBank account from and become a member of ClickBank, but you know, nothing ventured, nothing gained, so give it a try. And if they will not allow you to get it, just skip this procedure. But what you would do is you'd fill this out and you'd hit next. It would take you to another page that actually asks for more information. And on that page, you know, they're going to want banking information. But this is not really for any sensitive information. All they want to know, and what you need to put down there, is a bank closest to your home. Just the name of a bank closest to your home, and then click on next and go forward through the process. You will get approved in just about every single case after that. You know, I found out that is hanging some people up, and that's the reason that I mention it here and on the page previous to this page that I'm showing you right now. So that's what you want to do. And this way, when you become a ClickBank member, you can go to their marketplace over there, and you can choose different products that are a lot more money than what we are set to get, because our maximum is $50. But they've got products over there for thousands of dollars, and you could actually make that money if you want to market it and take a product and go in there and, you know, just find out, you know, how you do that, because you're going to get a hop link that you can actually advertise across the internet with, and you can make a lot of money with ClickBank. Okay, so that's pretty much that video, and we're going to put that on the page for step 3. And once you're done with that, you come back to the page and you will do step 4 then. So I hope this was good for you and instructional enough for you. And if you have any questions, give me a call, 931-638-6244. Thank you.